In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark in PDF Exchange Editor. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Organize tab up top, and over here you can see they have a separate tool, especially for watermarks. So you want to click on that, and you want to click on Add, and this will allow you to open up this Add Watermark window, and here is basically where you can see the preview, and you can edit everything here on the left. So as you can see, type can be either text or file. So if you want to watermark with a file, you can just select the file and watermark with that. I'm just going to select some text over here because I do think that's the most common way of doing it. And then the text can also be selected and of course changed. I'm just going to type it as watermark. There we go. And of course you have some options over here. You could go ahead and set these if you want to. I'm not going to do that right now. And here you have the font. Of course you can play around. I'm going to leave it as Arial Black over here. Okay, there we go. It changed a bit. And then you have to select your alignment as well. And there we go. So whenever you do that here, you can of course play with the appearance. You could go ahead and select like its rotation, its opacity over here. If it's too prominent, you can go ahead and of course change this. You can select your scale. You can make it smaller. You can make it bigger. Completely up to you. And then you can select wherever you want it to be visible. So inside the view, print and export as well. And then you have different placement options over here, as well as different page ranges in case you don't want watermarks on every single page. After you're done with that, just click on OK, and as you can see, your watermarks will be added into your document. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.